Look, there, Emily, not yet finished. Yeah, Emma, I'm already finished. Look. Bilis airplane. Uy, airplane.
Isha.
I'm done now.
Oh, give me your phone.
I'm just gonna see what I'm doing. Yung airplane is gonna fly. Bye, airplane. Goodbye, airplane. Airplane. Kaya look off the airplane. Kaya may airplane dun. It's flying now. It's gonna fly. You take a picture.
That's our
dun.
That's
Take
our
a picture there. Take a picture that one. You know, my flying. It's flying. Goodbye, airplane.
That's our airplane.
Oh,
Isha.
it's going down.
No, this is our airplane. Look. That.
Is this one our airplane?
Yes.
Mommy, wait.
So 306.
Wait. Mama, ito yung airplane natin. Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy.
Ah.
What time are we going to the airport?
7:30 daw ano.
Ano dito? Let's go home 7:12. Sinamosya ako four. Four? Okay. Ako na five.
Ako yung
Oh, PM naman,
One,
PM na.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? You're a bully, Isha. You're a bully. You're a bully. You're
PM.
a bully, Isha. You're a bully.
It's flying anymore. No, it's not flying. Hindi nag-fly. Hindi na pa siya.
There's another one. There another.
It's going
Another
back.
one, blue bully. His name, first name is I. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, no. I didn't take the airplane. Not that. Okay.
Give me your phone. Give me. Isha, malaloba.